Hey guys, it's Ryan Leaker98 here, and today I have another tip of the day for you sexy immigrants. So if you're doing stuff in the environment of the world, and you have a power saw, the best way. Shut up. The best way to use a power drill is to take it, right? Firmly grasp it too. That's important. And then just kind of, and then just go. That'll instantly screw in all the screws in the nearby area. This video has been brought to you by Power Drills. Use them to drill anything. People, cars. I don't know if you saw that. I wasn't paying attention. And you could use them to drill your girlfriend too. You know, just. Bye.